Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to change caller ringtone on WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open the WhatsApp and then you can see three dot on the top right corner and then click on setting. And here you can see notification, so just click on it and then scroll down, and at the last you can see calls. So in calls, here you can see ringtone, so click on it and here you can select any tune according to you. So after selecting, so click on, after selecting go back. So guys, in this way you can see calls ringtone is changed. So guys, in this way you can change call ringtone on WhatsApp. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.